Hello and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we are going to be doing a cash stuffing for August budget number 2. So if that interests you, stay tuned. Okay, so let's flip over to August budget number 2. So this is using money from our July 30th and August 6th paychecks because we are 1 month ahead. So if you missed my paycheck number 2 setup, then I'll go ahead and link it above. But for right now, we are just going to highlight the items that we need to cash stuff. So let's go ahead and do that. So we need to do childcare, gas, groceries, Costco, diapers and wipes, car repair maintenance, house supplies, clothing, fun/holidays, the twins, and toiletries. So I am going to move some money from, actually we did get our child care tax credit for the month of August, but it's still in transit. So I'm going to have to stuff that off camera. But for right now, what I've been doing is putting it in our child tax credit Qube. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, like what a Qube is, we use Qube Money, which is a digital cash envelope app. And the link is down in the description if you want to check it out. But that's what I'm going to be using today for our cash stuffing. So, okay, so let me go ahead and pull it up on my phone. So, oh, I didn't add up the total that we're supposed to be stuffing, just so I can make sure that the stuffing is correct. Like I have the right amount of money in our cloud account for the stuffing. So 560. So I'm just going to add up all of the things that I just highlighted. Oh, so actually, we're not going to be stuffing the childcare because I didn't transfer it. All I have is 1418 in our cloud account. So it was my intention to transfer it just because the bill pay portion of the Qube Money app is now live. So I want to start testing out the bill pay portion of Qube Money. So that way, when our money comes into Chase now, all I have to do is transfer all of our money, like bills and cash envelopes, like everything we're going to use. I can just transfer it over to Qube Money. And if you're new to my channel, I don't want to have our checks deposited into Qube Money, just because I also like the security of being able to walk into a branch and things like that if ever I need to go withdraw like money. So I think the bank that Qube Money uses is probably not in my area. I don't know. I need to actually look that up. But all that to say that I'm just going to be stuffing these categories and not the child care and not the child tax credit. So I'll have to do that off camera. But let's go ahead and bring up Qube Money. Okay, so as you can see in the cloud account, we have 1,418 spot 16, which is what I wanted. So let's go ahead and start stuffing. So this is the child tax credit account that I was talking about. So once I transfer the $300 from our Chase account to Qube Money, then I'll go ahead and put it in the child tax credit Qube. And then where's the child care? Where is the child care? That should have been, oh, there it goes. Same thing for this daycare account. So I'll go ahead, once we transfer the money, I'll put that money in the daycare account as well. So for gas, we are doing $150. For groceries, we are doing $75. Oh, here goes Costco, so I'm just gonna do that really quick. Costco is $175. Groceries is $75. Diapers is $40. Car repair and maintenance, is $25. House supplies, oh, here goes fun. So I'll put 10 in there. Okay, house supplies, we'll do 25. Clothing, we'll do 20. And then we already did fun/holidays, so let's do the twins. And then toiletries. Toiletries is gonna get 25. Okay, so let's make sure. So our Qube cloud account amount equals the adding amount. So that means I have allocated all of the money that's in our cloud account. So I'm going to go ahead and press fund cubes. So all of the money should have been moved from our cloud account to the respective Qube account. So let's see, toiletries now has $28.95, twins has 3.4, clothing now has $124, house supplies has $32, fun slash birthday slash anniversaries is $22, car repair and maintenance is $25, diapers is $88, groceries $110, Costco is $175, and gas is $230. So everything looks like it moved over pretty good. So that is all I need to do for my cash stuffing. And if you're new to Qube Money, this is linked to an actual checking account. So all I have to do is go in and swipe our debit card that is linked to the Qube Money app. So we can use the money in real time. There's no tracking how much is going out of the account, how much is coming into the account, because it works just like each one of these cubes acts just like a checking account. So that's why I don't track any of my expenses unless they're unbudgeted. So for instance, any money that comes out of this paycheck, like this paycheck money, I'll track right here. But otherwise, if it comes out of one of these cubes, then I'm not tracking it for the most part, just because Qube Money is doing that for me. So it cuts down on the time that I spend on my budget, basically. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.